I will forever be the person who says, "It's okay, I understand," even when my heart is breaking into pieces. I've always been the one to put others first, to listen, to comfort, and to support, even when my own world is crumbling. It's not that I'm trying to be a martyr. It's just that I care so deeply for the people I love that I'd rather endure the pain than see them hurt. I'll swallow my pride, push aside my feelings, and pretend everything is fine, even when it's not, because their peace of mind is more important to me than my own. Every time I say, "It's okay," a part of me wishes someone would notice the cracks in my voice, the hidden sadness in my eyes. But I've learned that not everyone sees the pain behind the smile, and that's okay. I'll keep saying, "I understand," even when it feels like no one understands me. I'll keep giving, even when it feels like there's nothing left to give, because that's who I am. I love deeply, care intensely, and even when my heart is breaking, I'll always choose to be there for the ones I love, no matter the cost.